Bonjour à tous. Today I'm going to talk about French verbs. So as you can see, the heading is les verbes. Les verbes, that is les verbes. Now all of you know very well what is a verb. A verb which describes an action, occurrence of state of being. So in sentence here also you can see she runs fast. So she is noun or subject and runs is verb, action. Then if you can see another one is he is happy. Again is a verb. What happened? Happened. A verb. So now let's talk about verbs. Les verbes français. Les verbes français. In French, you will find two types of verbs. Les verbes réguliers. Les verbes réguliers et les verbes irréguliers. Les verbes irréguliers. So here you can see parler, to speak, parler, to speak, finir, to finish, répondre, to reply. These are regular verbs. There are some endings, some fixed endings to conjugate all these verbs. Here you can see in this table, les verbes irréguliers. Les verbes irréguliers. Aller, to go, avoir, to have, être, to be. All irregular verbs must be remembered by heart. We don't have any ending to conjugate them. For all regular verbs, there are some endings. For all irregular verbs, no endings are there. All of you have to learn these verbs. Remember the conjugation of these verbs by heart only. And then if you can see here, some verbs are there slightly irregular. That is semi-irregular verbs. Endings will remain the same as of ER ending regular verbs, but only very small change will be there. Here you can see verbs ending with GER. So whenever you will find any verb ending with GER, only manger, voyager, this is semi-irregular verb. Then verbs ending with CER, commencer, to begin, to start, annoncer. Again, these are semi-irregular verbs. Then verbs ending with YER, YER ending verbs, envoyer, nettoyer. Verbs ending with ELER and ETER, APPELER, appeler, to call, JETER, jeter, J like measurement, jeter, to throw. Here you can see verbs with essence. Whenever you will find acute accent on first and second E, here this will be semi-irregular verb. Then here acheter, so no accent is there, but while conjugating you have to put grave accent on E in all forms. Later I'll tell you that also. Les verbes pronomino, that is pronominal verbs or reflexive verbs. Reflexive verbs means whenever you will see SE or S apostrophe before any verb, it will be reflexive verb or pronominal verb. And SE will change to S apostrophe before a word starting with A, E, I, O, U, H and Y also. And then impersonal verbs, you will find these verbs also. Pleuvoir, which means to rain, falloir, to be necessary. We can conjugate on these verbs, these two verbs with only IL form. Only IL, subject pronoun will be IL. It rains, it is necessary. So these are semi-irregular verbs. And in French, nearly 4,200 verbs are there, out of which around 3,800 verbs are regular verbs, and we have some endings to conjugate them, and around 300 verbs or 400 verbs are irregular verbs. You have to learn the conjugation of all those verbs by heart only. So these are French verbs. Whenever I'll teach you, I'll come with another video, that is present tense, le présent de l'indicatif. Then I'll teach you how to conjugate these verbs. What are the endings to conjugate all these verbs? So you have to, I'll give you this, I'll upload this document also. Just go through uh, carefully, and please, if you like the video, subscribe the channel. Last but not the least, merci, bonne journée, au revoir.